Bobby! Look, say hello to the vlogs.
Hi, vlog.
Zoe Shabling in a birthday weekend. All the season she are celebrating.
It's still aqua season.
Yeah, in a water to water thing, aqua. See all the thing, the aqua.
Yeah, girl.
Surrounded by water.
Yeah, girl. Come now. Yeah, girl.
You that.
Nice. What I like, nice.
Water, baby. Water, baby.
Go down the ball, go on the ball. Lie down on the ball, lie down on the ball. Lie down on the ball. Fall in the water and lie down on it. Lie. You can't catch it though. Water too high. Hold on. Come on, make it down out there, man. Yeah, go.
I play him want to play, that's it. You want to play through the ball.
So guys, pool life is over. We gotta say bye to all the niceness. Birthday weekend done, man.
Sure, but the season continues.
Yo, but it
More
was late.
surprises.
I had
Right.
so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed
Lazy.
my birthday. But we're gonna head up and get ready to check out.
Food and stuff.
Babe not gonna left without no food, so yeah.
You and I don't want to left hungry.
Could I buy a KFC? Me forget what KFC. No, me forget what KFC tastes like. No, I would have crave KFC because I don't know, you know. But yeah, this was it. Honestly, guys, amazing. But I'm gonna take some Polaroid pics, so I'll be back when we're done heading out or whatever the case may be, whichever comes first. Okay, bye. So guys, that's it for the room. Thank you to Ocean Coral and Babe for all the extraness and all of that stuff. So yeah, we're out. Officially. People soon come. Yeah. So y'all, final countdown, final supper. It's Babe's plate. Pork, mash, mixed veg, spring rolls, pork, fish, chicken patty, and some mixed noodles with mixed veg. So, and a pina colada. There ain't no strawberry daiquiris or nothing here or anything like that, so I can't get anything like that. But yeah, and then we're gonna go to the Jamaican grill and we're gonna get some jerk chicken. Hopefully, them can't wrap it up in us on fire so we go on. It cannot leave anywhere and not have anything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. But it seems like everybody who yeah, that's better. It seems like everybody who was here like for the weekend either came Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday, or even Sunday nights. And is leaving out today. Like the hotel is so empty. Like it's extremely empty. The amount of people I see leaving today is crazy. So yeah. You know why I still have my hat on.
Happy birthday, beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You remembered. Thank you so much.
Yes,
yes, that's okay. Thank you so much.
Look a friend.
I was like, oh my god, she remembered. People, the pork eat nice.
We have to look nice.
The fish. Actually, not bad. The color throws you off, but no?
Curry chicken, I'm sorry.
I'm still for no curry.
No, that's fine, that's right.
How's the rice?
Good.
Alright. Spoken like the true man himself. Bye. 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 People are ready for go home. So when I can't walk here, sir? Son, I beat me. Whew, son, hot to the man. Whew. Jesus. Yo, bro.
Good thing yesterday they cold.
Both days.
Yesterday we are big for the sun. Yeah,
both days.
We are big feast and I see it today now. It's a can't please, man.
Bruh. But like this is like weather where you need to be in the water. You're not gonna be walking around. Like, you know, you make it to your destination and you just stay there.
Water nice when the sun actually.
Yeah.
Cold.
Well, I had a grand old time. I will be back though. I'm coming back to Ocean Coral Spring. I am coming back to Ocean Coral. Like, you guys, the vibe, love it. Like the people, the staff have a vibe. Like, you know, sometimes our babe was telling me, one of the ladies that was like cleaning the rooms the other day, them she and like some next man in the hallway, you know, them just a wine. Yeah, them just a wine pound and the music a play and everybody have vibes and you get me, I say? Joel passed by and she was like, good morning. Like everywhere you go. Like, you know, sometimes you go up on the resort and you see like 1-2 staff where
you can't know when I just them trained for being nice, bro.
Right, but here you can genuinely tell like they hired some people with like good attitudes, like
key thing,
good attitudes, bro. Like just people that know how to really and truly deal and work with people. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but
absolutely. It was an amazing experience. I'm grateful, man. I loved it, every bit of it.
But I watch your belly, you know, too full.
Brother. Jeez. Am I belly bang already, you know, some people.
Actually, I walk like I got the room.
Whee. Y'all, it was good.
And there's so much water.
It was really good. Yeah, like every corner there's a pool or waterfall or something.
Even some of the rooms, them like downstairs, that vibe.
The swim up rooms. Swim up, yeah. Swim out pools. Whee. Oh God.
Water park, pool, wet bar.
Yeah, the time I've been out telling a lie.
Look how I feel like different.
Holy shit.
Wash out place every day.
And them clean. You guys, them clean bad. Bad. Every night before we go sleep, we hear them clean up the one around me. I nearly dropped one day though, but look at this, you guys. I love this. I love this. Oh, we'll be back. Thank you for having us. We will be back. You want to go feed and meet me out front? You want to go feed and meet me out front? Or just come up close and me walk out, come meet you. It's nice, see? Jesus.